flow is diminished a little bit this time of the year, but this is, I'd say, waterfall. What would a visit to Laos attraction be if you didn't have to climb another set of stairs? Interesting tree along the trail of the falls, the ghostwood tree. Its seed oil is said to have properties that are good in the fight against cancer. The wood is also used for making drums and other soft type materials. There's a reservoir of sort that is used to supply the water down at the falls during the dry season. You see that blue tubing that runs down the hill the length of the, or part of the trail of the falls. Interesting tree along the trail of the falls, the bitter sour wood, or the bishop wood is the English name for it. The fruits are used in making wine. The seeds contain about 30 to 54% oil and used as a lubricant. Looking at an area of the falls that is dry now, but will be in season flowing with water. For now, water is funneled down from the hills above, and if you're so inclined, you can feel free to take an afternoon swim.